A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, God good and kind to we. Enough. But make we not take it for granted. Yeah? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you don't subscribe to the channel yet, then now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 11, from verse 13 to verse 24. All the people we are not Jew, me a talk to uno now. Me are the apostle where God sent for preach to the people we are not Jew. And me think that what they well important. So me take it serious. Me take it serious because me hope say when me a do, we make some of me people, the Jew them, jealous. And what uno have, that way there, some of them we get saved. Because if when God did turn away from them, it make it so that the people in the world could have turned him picnic. What do you think are going to happen when he take them back? When God take back the Jew them for being people, it will come in like say them the dead and it make them come back alive. No, if you give the first part of the bread to God, I really give him the whole of the bread. And if you give up the root part of one tree to God, you are giving the branch them too. But if some of the branch them broke off and they take uno, we are one wild piece of olive shoot and bud the olive tree so that uno can live off of the good sitting them we come from the root. Uno can't go on like say, uno better than the branch them. But if any of uno want to brag and boast, just remember say, ano uno I support the root, but at the root I support uno. When uno remember that, uno we say, the branch them, it have to broke off to make room for me. No, that's the truth. Them they get broke off because them never believe, but because uno believe, uno I got hand which part uno there. But no make that get to no head. Instead of that, uno better watch uno self. Because if God did chop off the branch them we did a grow up on the tree, him will chop uno off too. Uno fi take note of this. God kind, but him hard to. The people who sin and tap believe in him treat them hard. But him kind to uno. And him go on kind to uno if uno go on trust in him. But if uno tap trust in him will cut uno off too. And even them where God did cut off, if them change them ways and start believe, him will take them and put them back in. Because God have the power to put them back on the tree. Uno come from one wild olive tree and God take uno and bud uno pan one olive tree where him did plant. No, it's not normal to take the branch off of one kind of tree and put it on another kind of tree. But that God did do. No, If God can do that, can more than take the branch them when they broke off and bud them back by the tree where then they come from. And God, what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.